Eric from Drinkpod here. After you have your water line set up, I'm going to take you in a step-by-step process to set up your Drinkpod 400 series. The first thing we're going to do is remove the piece of tubing that comes with your Drinkpod. This works like a Chinese finger trap, and it won't come out if you pull on it on its own, but you need to hold the O-ring back and then pull the tube, and it will unlock. It is very important to have these switches off until you have water running through the machine. Keeping these off will ensure that the hot tank will not burn out. Alright, the next steps will be to connect the water and the power to your unit. To connect the water, simply push the tube until you feel resistance and then pull back to make sure that it's locked in. Once that's in, connect your power source to the back of the Drinkpod. Once your power and water are connected, take the blue valve and turn it counterclockwise. You may hear a sound going into the unit. That is a regular sound of the water going into the filters. Your Drinkpod 400 comes with 3 features: hot, room temperature, and cold. It is very important to run water through all 3 features before turning on the 2 switches in the back. Start with running water through the room temperature mode. Once you have water in the room temperature, move on to the cold. You may need to hold the cold water down anywhere from 30 seconds to a few minutes in order to eliminate any air trapped inside your Drinkpod. Once you have water flowing, you can move on to the hot tank. The 400 series comes with a safety switch to prevent accidental burns. Push the button once until you hear beep, and then push it again to unlock the safety feature. Now wait until water starts flowing through the hot tank before moving on to the next step. Once you have water flowing through the hot tank, you can move on to opening both switches. Once you have water running through all 3 features, go to the back of the unit and turn on the 2 switches for hot and cold. Your 400 series Drinkpod comes with a stowaway built-in drip cup. It's great because it can catch any water that drips through it and can also be flipped away in the event you have a large container such as a pitcher or a sports bottle. To empty your drip cup, simply push in with your fingers and pull out the magnetic piece. Once the tray has been empty, simply push it back until it clicks. For more videos such as changing the filters or resetting your hot tank, check our video support section. This is Eric from Drinkpod signing off.